So it finally rained yesterday. It rained for the longest time, and I know that I have tomatoes, I have some cucumbers, and I am ready to harvest them. So let's go. So I got a lot of tomatoes. I really do have a lot. I have a lot of recipes that I'm going to make inside, and I am just so excited about how the tomato plants are doing this year. They're just doing amazing. I did have a couple of them that were not quite ready. This one I kind of pull it with the other one by accident, but they're gorgeous, you guys. And I still have a bunch of different varieties that are not quite ready. Like this German pink here, it's getting close, but it's not quite there. And that one, I believe, is a big rainbow. A couple more days maybe, once it starts turning a little bit more orange. But oop, did I miss one? This is a Paul Robinson. Oh, cutie. So anyway, that's all I wanted to show you today, you guys. I hope that you liked the video, and if you did, give us a like, subscribe maybe, and until the next video.